Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet exit her private jet after romantic getaway for her 27th birthday. Kylie Jenner and Timothée Chalamet's romance continues to go from strength to strength, albeit with them still flying under the radar. The loved-up pair were pictured making a very low-key exit from her private jet after enjoying a romantic vacation for her 27th birthday. The two have tried to keep their relationship under the radar, even as they have been beset by occasional rumors of a split. Thanks for watching video. You can shopping by links below.